Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Armstrong of Jennifer D. Armstrong LLC, Divorce and Family Law. So I thought I'd take an opportunity to speak to you guys via video to post some information about what's going on. I know there's a lot out there right now given this coronavirus situation, and so we're all being inundated with some information, some of it factual, some of it fake, and it can be really depressing and anxiety ridden. So first and foremost, I just want to let all of our current clients, potential clients, everybody know that the law firm is fully operational. We are here, we are coming in each day. So long as the government allows us, we will continue to do so. We do presently have a policy in place that we are not meeting with anyone in person unless you are here to do a will signing. If you have estate planning documents that we prepared for you, we'll be bringing you in to sign those, assuming that you are well and you have not had any contact with anyone that is ill or may have any type of respiratory illness or infection. And so that's very important. The fortunate thing here is that a lot of what we do, the divorce and family law aspect of our firm, can be done virtually. Now, I know a lot of people don't know what that means and they're confused by it. And so let me explain. We can have telephone conferences and video conferences with you. You don't necessarily have to be sitting in the same room with me face to face in order for us to talk about your matter or to retain our services. We can do all of these things virtually. We can have our initial consultation via telephone or video conference. If you decide you want to hire our firm, there is documentation and paperwork that we can email you. One of the tips that I would give you is that I suggest that anyone that wants to pursue their legal matter go and open up a new and private email account. Go on Gmail, go on Hotmail, open up yourself a brand new email account that only you know about, that you're going to use for your legal matter, so that you don't have to worry about any information being sent through the normal channels where your spouse or your significant other may see it. And so we can send you information either right after your consultation or information that we talk about during your consultation. We can email that to you. You can look at it at your leisure. I would also suggest that you change the password on your cell phones. Don't let your spouse be, going through your cell phone looking at stuff. You might not think that they know your password, but let me tell you, I get a lot of clients all the time that say, yeah, my spouse did know my password and they went into my phone and they saw this or they saw that or they started deleting things. The best thing you could do is to be saving that stuff not only on an email account and on your iCloud or some sort of server, but you can also be making copies of those things and forwarding it to a friend or a family member to hang on to for you. So in the event that your spouse does go onto one of your devices and starts deleting things, you have a backup copy. You have another copy of those things that you can use for your legal matter. Again, these are all tips that we generally give clients and we could walk you through. If you decide that you're going to retain us, again, not only can we email you the documentation that you can fill out and get back to us, we also have online hyperlinks where you can make your payments. You don't have to come into the office. We do take cash, check, or credit card. Obviously, cash, you would have to come by to drop that off. But credit cards and checks can all be done online through a hyperlink that we would email to you. We have lots of clients that live out of state. I also have clients in Canada. And so it really is not an absolute necessity that we meet in person. Now, your family law matters are very private, confidential, secure matter. So sometimes people feel a little funny and they would prefer face-to-face. Again, we do video conferencing. It's not that difficult. If you have a phone, if you have a tablet, if you have a laptop, or you have a desktop, all you need to do is either download Zoom, which is Z-O-O-M, or Skype. Either of those, we can do a video conference. These are free apps that you can download onto your devices. We would send you a link. You click on the link and there we are. So again, very easy to use. Don't let the technology stop you from moving forward with your matter. Again, Everything we do can be done via virtual, either email, telephone, video. That should not slow you down. Now, another important thing that people need to know is the court system. The court system is moving over to a virtual platform. So starting, I believe, either later on today or tomorrow, all court hearings that are not emergent are going to be conducted via telephone or video. There is not going to be any more in-person court appearances here in New Jersey. Again, if the courts can do it, we can do it. We have been doing it. It's not a big deal. I know it's scary. I know it's something new, but again, we are resilient. We will overcome this. Another situation that people have been bringing up is, I want to talk to an attorney. I want to take care of my matter, but I'm home with my kids. They're going to school. I have to work from home. I don't have the privacy that I think I need in order to talk to an attorney. Everybody's got a lot on their plate right now, and everyone's handling a lot. And so I don't think it's unfair of you to have to tell your significant other that you need a break. I need a break to go walk around the block. I need a break to go take a drive for an hour. Take that break, drive around the block, go sit in your car in the parking lot someplace or someplace in your neighborhood. Take a walk around the block and everything. Get away just for enough time for you to have that consultation, have that discussion with your attorney and everything. Get the answers that you're looking for. You will feel much better about it. I promise you. I will tell you, I have been doing this for over 17 years. I have never had anyone come back to me and tell me they regret their divorce. And so, again, everyone has to make the decision that is right for them. It's a very personal decision. It's a decision that only you can make, but you should have all of the information so that you can make an educated decision that's going to ultimately work for you and your family. And we want to help give you that information. And whatever decision you make, Again, it has to work for you and your family. And so, if you find yourself needing legal advice, needing some questions asked, please don't feel like you can't proceed during this time. You absolutely can. We are here for you. We are working in the office. If, God forbid, New Jersey decides that they are going to issue some sort of shelter in place, then I will be working from my home. So again, we are not shutting down. We're here for you. We can do this. I'm going to post at the end of this video a little tile, if you will, that says how you can follow us on social media so you can stay up to date on things. Again, we're getting news at a breakneck speed here. Things are changing every day, but we're doing our best to keep up with it. I've been posting on our social media pages, so follow us there. And just be well, take care of yourself. I hope this information has helped. Thanks.